Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Lawade. Today is 21st of July 2022 and the topic for the today's video is what is full stack development. So the full stack development is referred to the development of both the front end, that is the client side, and the back end, that is the server side portions of web application. So the technologies related to the full stack development are first the front end. So it is the visible part of website or web applications which is responsible for user experience. The user directly interacts with the front end portion of the web application or website. So the languages which are used for building the front end part portion are HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So the HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to design the front end portion of web pages using the markup languages. HTML is the combination of hypertext and markup language. Hypertext defines the link between the web pages. The markup language is used to define the text documentation within the tag which defines the structure of web pages. Then the next is CSS. So the cascading style sheet, fondly referred to as a CSS, which is simply a design language intended to simplify the process of making web pages presentable. CSS allows us to apply the style to the web pages. Then the next is JavaScript. The JavaScript is a famous scripting language which is used to create the magic on the sites to make the site interactive for the user. It is used to enhancing the functionality of a website to running cool game and web-based software. Then the front-end framework and libraries. The first is AngularJS. So AngularJS is a JavaScript open source front-end framework that is mainly used to develop the single-page web application. It is a continuously growing and expanding framework which provides the better ways for developing web applications. It changes the static HTML to dynamic HTML. It is an open source project which can be freely used and changed by anyone, and it extends the HTML attributes with directives and data is bound with HTML. The next is Bootstrap. The Bootstrap is a free and open source tool collection for creating responsive website and web application. So it is the most popular HTML, CSS, and JavaScript framework for developing responsive mobile first website. Then the next are the semantic UI foundation, material size, backbone.js, express.js, and import.js are some other libraries and the framework. Now the next portion, that is the backend. So the backend refers to the server side of development of web application or website with a primary focus on how the website works. It is responsible for managing the database through the queries and APIs by client-side command. This type of website mainly consists of three parts, that is the front end, back end, and the database. So the backend portion is built by using some libraries, framework, and languages which are as PHP, C++, Java, Python, JavaScript, etc. Now we will see it one by one. Now the first is PHP. PHP is a server-side scripting language designed specifically for web development. Since PHP code executed on server side, so it is called the server-side scripting language. And the next is C++. It is a general purpose programming language and widely used nowadays for competitive programming. It is also used as backend language. Then the next is Java. Java is one of the most popular and widely used programming language and platform. It is highly scalable and Java components are easily available. Then the next is Python. Python is a programming language that lets us work quickly and integrate systems more efficiently. Then the next is JavaScript. JavaScript can be used as both the front end and the back end programming languages. Then the next is Node.js. So Node.js is an open source and cross-platform runtime environment for executing the JavaScript code outside of a browser. We need to remember that Node.js is not a framework and it's not a programming language. We often use Node.js for building backend services like APIs like web app or mobile app. It used in production by large companies such as Uber, Netflix, Walmart, and so on. So this is all about the full stack development. Thank you.